so this is what the panels look like. They're actually bigger than I thought. I got 2 boxes, 12 panels in each box. And as you guys know, they connect to each other by these little holes here. Super cool. So we are going to go ahead and I gotta figure out if I'm gonna connect them on the floor or actually connect them on the wall. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. It's too long for it, so cheap, being flex so deep, sex so deep. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got it, pay it, now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you, I'm looking violent. Fucking while you come around and I decided. You the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is. They ain't never. Okay, you guys, so this is how the wall looks. You guys, this is one box, which I'm actually good with. I'm gonna show you guys like the camera view and the point of view of YouTube, so you guys can see that one box is good. I'm actually super happy because now I can get money back. Okay, I'm recording for YouTube. This would be my view. I'm gonna have my pink microphone here, which I'm gonna go upstairs and get to show you guys. And I'm gonna have the neon sign in the back. So the neon sign has come in. I'm gonna come back to you guys so we can install the sign. Hi you guys, so we are back. Finally got the neon sign. It took a while. I mean, I thought it would take longer, like the end of the month, but we got it, so yay. Okay, so this is the box that the neon sign came in. We already plugged it up. That's like literally the first thing I did because I don't want any complications with this thing. If it was messed up, I will have to send it back. So this is the box. Let's open it. Actually, it's already open, but anyways. You guys, this sign is the cutest. And it's actually from China. I thought it was made in the US, but it's from China, you guys. That's probably why it was so much cheaper. Okay, nothing else in there. Let's put this to the side. You guys can see, because I'm not gonna actually show you guys installing it, because I have to do separate content for Instagram, you know. We gotta let the Instagrammers in on the secret too. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks plugged in. Ta-da! Viva la Pink Posh! Why is my name Viva la Pink Posh? It's so long. But yeah, this is a sign. I love it. Okay, come on. Cover your eyes.
No.
Don't look yet. Cover your eyes. Don't look yet. Come on.
Oh no, I'm looking.
Come on. You're going to see my new famous YouTube setup. Ready, set, uncover your eyes.
I thought this whole room would be changed.
No!
I'm out.
What?
I thought it would be something cooler.
Really?
I thought it
Now
would
I'm
be
sad.
something clear.
That is cool. The sign is installed. Skylar helped me determine if it was straight or not, which I think she did a pretty awesome job. I couldn't have done it alone. It probably would have been lopsided. But yeah, this is how the sign looks. And I am completely obsessed with this new setup. I cannot wait to record here. Like, I literally feel like getting dressed and doing my makeup and recording here right now. But I'm making dinner, so can't do that. But anyways, this is the video for you guys. And it's complete and it's entire and it's whole. So if you guys want the setup, this video is for you. You can make it now. Tag me in your setups if you guys do recreate this. I would absolutely love to see. Okay, catch you guys in the next video and make sure you guys are subscribed. Till next time, guys. Peace and much love. Bye, guys.